Hi, I am Radhika. I am a Salesforce admin and Scrum Master. I have been with Davita for almost 2 years. I manage case management in the Salesforce COI team. Case management is the process that allows users to create, track, and solve business group issues like bugs, user creation, maintenance, data issues, system issues, training, etc. Case management provides the ability for the business group users to create cases in various ways. Users can create cases by sending an email, from a web form, or internally. Challenges that we were having were no visibility. There was no visibility on the number of cases logged, how many of them were resolved, how many cases were logged by each business group, and what type of cases they were. There was no way to monitor the initial case response time on cases, time taken to resolve cases by case owner, if cases were resolved by the expected close date, any overdue cases, and the reason if they are overdue. There was a resource capacity issue handling the cases from over 30 different business groups. Only one user was monitoring cases and assigning them to the right case owner, which was time consuming and the workload was not correctly distributed among users. Delayed response time on cases. There was an issue with the case handling process. When a case was submitted, it was not properly assigned to the right point of contact user. Only one user was getting notified on the new case, and it was delaying the case response time as the user has to identify the right case owner for that case. We have implemented a few solutions to handle our challenges. We have customized the case object and created reports and dashboards. Created new fields that captures the status, name of the user group, and type of case. Created dashboards with different charts which clearly depicts the case status. These dashboards are reviewed on a weekly basis to go through the number of cases and type of cases and which business group is creating how many cases and what type of cases, which helps in identifying whether they need any training or if we can automate these requests. We have customized the case object to calculate initial response time, time spent on case to resolve the issue, the expected close date, and if the case is closed as per the expectation. If the case was not closed by the expected close date, then we would track if this was communicated to the user and if a reason for being overdue was provided. In order to increase the efficiency when handling cases, the system now automatically assigns the case to the right point of contact and case owner. Instead of notifying a single user on a case, now the case gets assigned automatically to the correct case owner, and if there are any unassigned cases, we will notify a group of users instead of a single user. Case owners will get an email when a case gets created and a reminder email if they have not responded on the case, which reduces the response time on cases. Here is a demo that shows the explained case management process. As a business group user, I am creating a case by sending an email to sfsupport@davita.com. Now the system automatically identifies the user group and assigns the case to the correct case owner. And the case owner gets notified by an email that a new case is created and assigned to them. Here is an email that notifies the case owner and the business user who created the case. Case owner looks into the case and updates the record with the status to working from new, type of a case, and the estimated total case hours and the expected close date. Business users will get notified that their case has been assigned to a case owner and with the expected close date. Here is an email that is received by the business user. If there is any communication between a business user and the case owner, we can keep track of all the communication for any further reference. If there is any change in the expected close date, case owner should fill the reason for being overdue and notify the user. When the case gets closed, the user will get notified. Here is an email that is received by the business user. This is the dashboard which we will review on a weekly basis. It shows how many cases were created in the last week, what is the status, average initial response time, time spent on cases, and type of cases. Over a 6-month period, we have resolved approximately 1420 cases. We are expanding the case management by introducing and implementing business groups, allowing them act as Tier 1 support and our COI team as Tier 2 support. We have implemented case management for a few business groups and planning for more. Developed a community portal to provide the capability to business users to enter cases from the community portal, where they will have more visibility and manageability on cases. They can view their team's cases, set priority, and update other case fields. Case management provides high visibility on work, improves the quality of tracking, reduces manual work, and improves performance. Thank you.